Hi everyone, welcome to this LiveU Studio tutorial session. Today, we'll see how easy it is to use Instant Replay thanks to the hardware support of the Contour ShuttlePro. In short, it gives me complete control of replays. You can run it by yourself playing both roles, TD and replay operator. The most popular scenario is obviously to have a dedicated replay operator queuing the right angle and managing the playback speed for the main TD. Let's jump into our sports and esports control room. We have two cameras on the same subjects, perfectly in sync. I simply connect my ShuttlePro to the USB port on my computer and open the extended media bin to access the dedicated UI for replays. I select the device by clicking on this plus, and now I have full control of the replays. The default mapping allows me to start working right away. Quick rewind or fast forward thanks to the exterior wheel. Frame by frame control thanks to the interior wheel. Change the angles with the top buttons. Mark in, mark out, and save the clip with the lower buttons. Go back to live with the buttons left from the wheels. It's super intuitive to anyone who tests it for the very first time. Finally, you can customize the mapping to your liking by clicking on the device name. It is that simple. The ShuttlePro gives you a true physical production experience and support for instant replays. It is that simple. The ShuttlePro gives you a true physical production sensation for instant replays. To learn more about the LiveU ecosystem, feel free to contact your local representative in your region or via the contact form on our website. Thank you for watching.